Hello, I'm Are. Welcome to my video. Now I'm gonna show you 3 ways how to make a screenshot without any additional tools in Windows 10. First way to make screenshot is to just click your print screen button in keyboard and then open Paint Editor and just click Ctrl V and it will paste complete screenshot of your screens. The second way is to click print screen and Windows button and then it will create another screenshot of your screens of your complete screen setup. And my third way for making easy screenshot on Windows is click just these 3 buttons on keyboard and it will open this snippet tool, and then you can choose region on screen and you can make very nice screenshot of your part of screen. And that's all of me today. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.